Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna be unboxing the Mini Brands minis for the fridge today. I actually have two, and I'll do like the whole video. And I actually unboxed some yesterday, but I forgot to film it. And I also have the fridge, so I'll show you that in a minute because I'm waiting for that jelly thingy to sit. I just like put it in. So I'll film and do a tour of it later when we have opened everything. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to take this package off first because I'm filming with one hand and I'm holding it with one hand. So I got to do it off camera, okay? See you in a minute. Okay, so I've just taken the packaging off. I'm going to pop it open. Okay, to this here. I already have one of these. I already have one of these. I'm gonna get it. It's this one here. I've got quite a lot of stuff already. I'll show you guys later when we've finished opening these. Okay, so I'm gonna need, I don't know, I'm gonna rip it. I need to use my feet. Hold on. Guys, it's not ripping. Okay, I'm just gonna come back with all of the green ones open, and I'll show you guys and do these ones in a minute. Okay, so we got a kombucha, which is like a triple, I think. We got this milk, which is new, which is at least good, and this I think is the double up. But this is good because I kind of want to like open these and see what they are inside, you know? And the kombucha is kind of boring. I don't think you can open it either. Yeah, no, you can't open it either. That's pretty boring. Okay, let's open these ones. I'll be right back. Okay, so I've just opened them. We've got like this. I'm sorry, my camera isn't working very well. Okay, yeah, there we go. So we've got this Panda Express takeaway box. It's got like broccoli and meat in it. And then we got this new pepperoni stick thing. Like these were new. And this one is a triple. It's like a ham, honey deli ham. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna go and grab the other bowl. Let's put these all together. So that's what we got. And we got this notebook. Oh, it's upside down. This grocery list magnet thing. I'll put it on the fridge in a minute. Okay, I'm gonna go and grab the other bowl and put these somewhere else before we put it in the fridge. Okay, now this is the second one. I've already taken the packaging off, otherwise it will just like take way too long, and I don't really bother having to do it again. Okay, so we're gonna pop this open. Here we go. Oh, I think I see what magnet I got. Let's try the magnet first. Oh, this is a new magnet, I think. I haven't got this one yet. What is it? It's like a DJ thingy or something. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, we'll just put it over there. Get this now. Alright, we can chuck that away. We've already got all that. Okay. And let's open the 3 blue ones first and then the yellow ones. Okay, I'm gonna open these and be right back. Okay, so we didn't get any new stuff from this one, which is really sad. The 3rd lamb chops and 3rd or 4th turmeric shot. 2nd fruit tray. The fruit tray isn't too bad because it's like super fun and we really like it, so that's not too bad, but it's still kind of sad. We didn't get anything new. I hope we get a lot of new ones from this one. Alright, let's open them. Okay, so we got a pepperoni pizza, which I don't think I have, and I got this like macaroni and cheese pack, which I don't have as well, and I got another Panda Express takeaway thing. Like I literally got the exact same one from the last mystery ball that we opened. That's so sad. Okay, let's go take all of everything that we unboxed off that list. Okay, I really don't know why my camera is being so blurry. Like I cleaned it 2 minutes ago. I reckon it's just not focusing. Okay, so I'm pretty sure this is the one. Yeah, this is the one that I've got all of it already on. So yeah, I've got quite a lot of stuff. And I don't know where my pin is now. Oh, okay, I found it. Okay, so the pin. Okay, so we have this magnet. Yes, we got this magnet. This magnet and that magnet. Those 2 magnets. And we have all of these as well. I'll grab it in a minute, the fridge in a minute to show you guys. Okay, so we got 2 more of these. So I'm going to put like a little line, 2 little lines. And we got another one of these. So I'm going to put a line there. Oh, okay, so that's good. It's just the 3rd one, not too bad. And I swear we had like other ones of this. Maybe I forgot to put a line there. Just put 1 line there. And now we have the milk. Wait, is it the milk? Yeah, that's the milk. That looks pretty similar. Okay. Milk, and we have the pepperoni stick. Yay! And now we have the pepperoni pizzas. That's pretty great. And we turn this over. Oh gosh, it's not turning. We have one of these. I think it's the one in the middle. Yeah. So we have 2 these. And what else? What else, guys? Did I miss anything? Ah, yeah. I missed the macaroni. Where is the macaroni? Oh, it's here. Okay. So that's macaroni. Right. And we got another one of those. Put a line. What else, guys? What else? I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. Right? I really want one of these ones, like these. This is like the main bit that I want. Please, bro. So we've got like most of the commons, most of them. We're missing the strawberry Hershey's syrup, the chicken wings from the Pizza Hut, and what else? Yeah, nothing else. So we're only missing 2 things from the common list and a few magnets. Okay, let's have a look at our fridge. Okay, so this is our fridge. We're gonna put the magnets on that we got. Grocery list and this little DJ thingy. I'm not gonna open it like the fridge right now because we're making the jelly still. There's still like, I don't know, 10-15 minutes I think. And then later when it's done, I'll be filming a short doing like a tour of what's in my freezer and fridge, and we're just gonna put all of this stuff in it. So stay tuned and see what we're gonna do while we put it in. Bye.